Hi there, everyone. Welcome to Hello Word, the show that makes learning English simple and fun. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a lively and expressive part of speech that's all about emotion and surprise, the exclamation. Exclamations are short, powerful words or phrases we use to show strong feelings like joy, surprise, shock, or even frustration. These little words bring energy to our conversations and help us express how we truly feel. Now, let's look at some popular examples. Imagine someone surprises you with a gift. You might say, wow. If you accidentally drop something, you could say, oops. Or, if you're feeling a bit frustrated, you might let out an ugh. These one-word exclamations make it easy to share big reactions without saying a lot. They're natural, they're quick, and they're everywhere in daily life. Exclamations are a big part of how we communicate feelings in English. So let's see how they show up in everyday conversations. Picture this. You're walking down the street and see a cute puppy. You might say, "Ah, so cute." Or imagine you're watching a sports game and your favorite team scores. A cheerful "yay" is a perfect response. And if someone tells you exciting news, like they got a new job, you could say, congrats. So the next time you're in a situation where you feel surprised, happy, or even a little annoyed, remember how handy exclamations can be. Give them a try and see how they add a bit more personality to your English. If you're enjoying Hello Word and want to keep learning with us, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show too, and we're grateful to have you here on this language journey.